Welcome back to Feature Car Update. Today, we're diving into something that's been creating quiet ripples in the world of electric trucks, the 2026 USA Lordstown Endurance. This isn't just another EV pickup, it's a symbol of resilience, rebirth, and American engineering trying to prove itself once again. If you've been following the EV scene, you know the Lordstown name has had its share of struggles, but what they're bringing in 2026 might just change how we see electric work trucks. At first glance, the new Endurance looks familiar, that boxy, tough design that screams durability. But beneath the surface, everything's been refined. The company claims this version is built entirely around reliability, longevity, and performance. Gone are the early technical hiccups. In their place, a new generation of in-wheel motors, smarter power management, and stronger battery systems designed for real-world work. This is the kind of vehicle that aims to stand side by side with giants like the Ford F-150 Lightning and the Rivian R1T. Powering the 2026 Lordstown Endurance is a 109 kWh battery pack that delivers an impressive estimated range of around 280 miles on a full charge. What sets it apart, though, are those four in-wheel hub motors. Each wheel has its own dedicated motor, creating true four-wheel drive with precision control. This means better torque distribution, improved handling, and instant traction, no matter the surface. With a total output of around 600 horsepower, the Endurance can go from 0 to 60 in under 5.5 seconds, which is pretty remarkable for a full-size electric pickup. But numbers only tell part of the story. Lordstown designed the Endurance for people who actually use their trucks for work. The frame is built with high-strength steel, and the suspension system has been fine-tuned for heavy loads and rough terrain. The towing capacity hovers around 8,000 pounds, and payload sits near 2,000 pounds, solid stats that put it right in the middle of the EV truck competition. Yet, what really stands out is its simplicity. Unlike many flashy EVs loaded with complicated systems, Lordstown focuses on a rugged, practical build that's easy to maintain and reliable for years. Inside, the cabin feels purpose-built yet modern. You'll find a digital driver display, a large center infotainment screen, and intuitive controls without overwhelming you with tech. There's a mix of soft-touch materials and durable surfaces that reflect both comfort and functionality. For 2026, Lordstown also adds new software updates, improved over-the-air functionality, adaptive energy mapping, and fleet management tools for businesses. This isn't just a truck for weekend adventures, it's built for companies that need electric fleets capable of performing under pressure. Charging the Endurance is just as straightforward. With DC fast charging, it can reach 80% in around 40 minutes, while Level 2 home charging fully replenishes it overnight. The thermal management system has been re-engineered for better battery longevity, ensuring that performance doesn't drop off even in extreme weather conditions. Perhaps the most impressive part of the 2026 Endurance story is the company's comeback itself. After financial troubles and uncertainty, Lordstown is making a statement that American innovation can still stand tall in the EV revolution. Their new partnership-driven manufacturing strategy and focus on quality control are helping to rebuild confidence in the brand. In short, the 2026 Lordstown Endurance isn't trying to be the flashiest EV on the market, it's trying to be the most dependable. It's a truck built by people who know what trucks are supposed to do. Haul, tow,